everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon. We're here in Balibago, and right now we're going to Tequila Reef, and we're going to eat pizza with also Georgie with.
Yeah. Hi guys, yes, Georgi already waiting. He in the Meikos right now playing billiard, and we meet with him and going to Tequila Reef. We can eat pizza. Shaira want pizza. No, we can check what have. So you like?
Dress there.
Huh? Ah, it's dress. I think it's for swimming. Swimming pool. Georgi maybe playing billiard now. Okay, we can. Yes. We can wait inside or outside better. Inside Shaira maybe aircon. No, maybe we can sit outside. I will check first. Inside or outside? Outside. Don't have space. No, okay, inside. Okay.
Pwede?
Hindi na malamig. Ito lang.
Good afternoon. Not cold here. Maybe another table or not. It's big. For 3 person here. Okay. Okay. You can sit, not stay, you can sit here. Yes. Okay. Already Georgi here. Georgi, what you want to eat? Shaira, you choose pizza? Okay. So you like this pizza, Shaira?
Yes.
Pineapple pizza with cheese. Thank you.
But I don't like to bread today.
You don't like pizza already? What? Okay. Not hot? Good? Good pizza. So you recommend it to our subscribers? Go to Tequila Reef. Before you eat in Kokomas restaurant.
This one is better.
This one is better?
Yes.
So in Tequila
Better.
Reef more better than in Kokomas before you order. Okay. Georgi, what you think? You also know in Kokomas before we order. It's good?
Already cold.
Aye?
Already cold.
So not hot for you.
Yes.
But it's good.
Good, but already cold. I don't know why. If they cook and drink like one, I don't know.
Good. I like it.
Yeah, good. Better eat now.
Okay.
Don't talk.
Okay. Georgi, I will walk a little bit in Walking Street.
Yes.
Show to my subscribers, our subscribers, what happened now about repair road or not. And you can walk with Shaira to cafe. Because Shaira don't want go to Walking Street, I know. But I will walk little bit and take video. Don't worry, I not go to Korean bar. I not go to, I don't like bar. Okay.